Welcome to ulno.net, and today we have something special. So we are just past Christmas and the new year, so Happy New Year to everybody. And usually I don't do unboxing videos, but I got so many presents from AliExpress that I think it might be worth to take a closer look at this. And I also have a friend here, Renato, who helps me with recording today. Say hello, Renato.
Hi.
And he will help me kind of giving all the precious gifts here to unbox. So let's get started. What do we have here? It is yellow. And I think, let's see if I need the knife. No. Yes. First wrapping is done. What do we have here? These are really exciting. These are capacitive moisture sensors. So I don't know if you can make a close-up for this. So these are these guys here. And you might know the classic ones where you have kind of metal in there and they kind of can corrode if they are too long in the ground. So these don't have any metal exposed. So there's no corrosion happening. So very soon we will make a test with these devices and measure some soil moisture, and maybe I can prevent my plants going bad over the holidays. That's nice. Looking for. So these are about $1.50 or so at AliExpress, and I think it's a good value. Let's do the next one. Okay, white package. A little heavier. E-packet. Oh, these look very interesting. These are the buttons which go on the Wemos D1 Mini. So it's just a little shield I can plug on the Wemos button, and so it's like just plug and play, so people can easily mount a button for flashing on the Wemos D1 Mini or just for triggering something. And I think these are all buttons. Yeah, cool. So, and then with this shield, it will be really easy in Ulno IoT to trigger the flash mode. Okay, the next one. It's white and light. No idea what. This must be a tool to strip wires. Yeah. Yeah, I probably need to make a dedicated video on this one. Yeah, so it should be a wire stripper. It was really cheap, so if this is good, I will recommend it. So, what do we have here? Yellow package, not very heavy. In the box, true unboxing here happening. Maybe I should kind of put the garbage away. So, yeah, these are great things. Do you have any idea what this is, Renato?
No.
This is a desoldering help, where you can actually fit this over a pin, and then you can heat up the pin and slowly push it through, and then you can remove the pin without any trace. So
Nice.
Also very cheap, but I think they will come in extremely handy.
Very useful. Hold on, it's a little heavy.
A heavy one, cool. What do we have here? Oh yeah, haha. I was looking forward to these. Somewhere there should be a wiring tool, so I can stop soldering and I can give some classes for just using wires and wrap them around pins. And then so I can actually freeze some things with this tool here. I hope this wire stripper is good enough for quickly stripping these wires. We will see if that works out. These are the wires, so let's see if we find the wiring tool soon too. Next one, please. Also very light, seems to be cushioned. Yeah. Very, very cool. So these are actually boards where you can put on several modules for the Wemos D1 Mini. You basically solder these things on there, and then you can put a button in there, or you could put several in there. So you can actually put a Wemos in the center and then put two devices there. So it kind of is in this realm of plug and play. So that will be very nice and make some of my classes easier. And another very light one. Let's see what hides in here. Ooh, another thing which could go onto this board. So I discovered these and I couldn't resist. So I don't know if this is, you want to hold one very close to the camera? Okay, this is actually this is an RGB LED, like an LED strip. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mounted on a board, so you can just plug them in and then kind of do nice patterns, do a little clock-like thing on there. So I think they will be very nice for getting to know how to play with LED lights. So they are a little bit more expensive. I think they're $2.50 a piece, but I think that might be still worth it because they're so nice and pluggable. Next one, please. No idea what might be in here. It's like Christmas again. Do all this here. See, that's why I don't do unboxing videos, because I don't know how to perfectly unbox. But that wasn't too bad. Oh, extremely exciting. Any idea what this is? This is a Lora module, so we can finally do some nice Lora work here. Ooh. That will be very important. Yeah, very nice. See, lots of exciting things to come on ulno.net. This is a sensor, I2C. And I think, oh yeah, this is something I actually ordered for Hinato. These are color sensors. They can give you an RGB value and you can use them to calibrate things and to measure color. Nice. Very nice stuff. No, Waveshare. This is, I know what this is. This is a modem, an LTE modem. So I have this little idea that one day I will show you all a project where I built with a Raspberry Pi Zero and this nice guy in here, my own mobile phone. Free from carriers, with your own software, with a command line. Dream come true. Everybody needs a command line on their phone. Yeah, this is actually very exciting, but this is also not cheap. So this is $60 US. But it's relatively small. That's kind of nice. So this will be the base of my phone, do-it-yourself phone. And it kind of slots on a Raspberry Pi, and then I have to find a display somewhere on there, and then I can build my own phone. Very exciting. No idea when I have time to really do that, but leave your wishes in the comments, and I might do it earlier than later. I'm running out of space here. Okay. Again, very light. But nevertheless, still very exciting. That looks like little shields. Oh yeah, very nice. These are displays you can plug and play on these boards I had before. So you can just plug a display in there. Yeah, that is perfect. Really nicely boxed. Very nice. Usually I get the displays just wrapped into something, but I think they were also just $2.50 a piece. So that is a really nice price.
Very cheap.
Well, cheap. You have to know how to combine all this. Oh, and there comes something I'm waiting for over 2 years on, I think. So this is not from AliExpress. This is a Kickstarter I backed a long time ago. And I think these are headphones which are supposed to be worn while you sleep. And they have lots of sensors built in to track your vitality functions while you sleep. And they can very well play kind of sounds which kind of soothe you while sleeping and make sleeping better. But I have no idea. I think we might have to do a special test video on this. It's called the Kokoon, and was relatively expensive Kickstarter, but I thought I'm traveling so much to noisy cities and I value my sleep, so it would be nice to have some tech supporting my sleep. And kind of nice welcome card in there. The Kokoon. Small thank you. Give your own personal discount code on Kokoon products. Okay, let's see what comes later there. Well, it's kind of a nice touch to put it here in this envelope. Kokoon Relax. Awesome. Yeah. Nice box. Special code for myself. Oh, with a magnet in there, huh? Nice. Nice baggy. Heavy. Smells very nice and new. There's a little manual on there to get starters and support for Android and Apple. Oh, that's nice. So for sleeping well, you also get some shades. Gee, they look heavy. And isn't that cool? Look at the sensors in the ear cups. I think we could consider making an own video. You guys can see me while I sleep. Wow, they take a lot of noise away. They're supposed to be noise cancelling, but they're already noise cancelling like this. So it's a closed system. Okay, what else is in there? Some cables.
But are they too heavy? Do you think they're comfortable for sleeping?
They feel nice, actually. They're kind of soft. But I don't know if I'm laying on my ear, if that will work well. I don't know if I'm laying on my ear, that will... I don't know. They don't pressure much. They have a big cushion. So, very curious. Maybe I have to try it out.
Challenge.
Yeah, kind of run some nice wave noises or so, or rain noises to drown out any discotheque outside. Could be nice. Okay, we will maybe do that in a different video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test that. And that's it, is it? Okay, good. Thanks for watching. We'll do some close-ups and see you soon again.
Good.